Alright, so I just finished a game. I need one more diamond piece, or black diamond piece. Ooh, there we go. Got that. I need one more to... Let's see, I think I got 120 now. Diamond, yep, 120. So now I can do the one of the primes. So either Altuve or Molina. I'll let my son pick. This is his team. Then if you want to look right here, prime black diamond is 120 120 pieces. So basically you divide this by 100, take away 2 zeros, the last two numbers, and that's how many pieces you need. So if you look right here, experience needed, and we have 120, add the 2 zeros, and there you go, you got enough. All right, perfect. I'm gonna try to combine this video with the other video when he picks, but have a good day if not. Bye bye.